Hey everyone, Matt Ross here, Director of Sales, Gold Athletics. I've been doing this a long time, so we wanted to give you 5 key points of why fundraising in Gold Athletics can help elevate the high school experience. 1, we teach responsibility. Students have goals and they have a dream as a team to raise a lot of money and get a lot of the things that coaches need to allow them to compete at a high level. In that process, they need to plan how they're going to reach out to their donors. They need to utilize our app by reaching out to friends and family, and they need to keep track of everything that they are raising individually so that they can hit their goal and then overall hit the team goal. Secondly, builds team unity. So we do these fundraisers, we come to you, we actually do kickoffs, we get the team together, we give the rah-rah speech, and we show everyone how to use the app, how to effectively ask people for support, whether we're doing a straight donation fundraiser, whether we're doing a combo, or whether we're doing our highly coveted gold cards. All of our fundraisers, you have a white glove service with us coming and working with the team, building the team unity, and having them going out with friends and family and asking for support. School spirit. All of our landing pages and our links in the fundraising app are all branded for the program. All of our gear that we give as incentives for the athletes, whether it's Nike, Under Armour, some of our other partners, whether X-Grain, Champ Pro, opportunity to get customized gear, your colors, your logo, whatever you want, but it really enhances the school spirit for those programs. And now a lot of our products are also going to be team branded, so if you're getting cookies and or brownies in the mail, they're gonna have the team logo on there. Relieves financial pressures and covers expenses. The number one reason why they're doing this, right? However, it allows the kids sometimes have the things that they want to get. High school sports are expensive, right? Whether it's uniforms, equipment, travel. Fundraisers help offset these costs so every student have the chance to participate, play, and get what they need to compete. And they have fun. We gamify the app. We gamify the program. So whether it's showing these athletes in front of us how to come in and do a presentation on that day, I always say, hey guys, I know I'm a little bit old school, but it's always nice for you guys to actually talk to people. The app will do the damage and allow you guys to hit your goal just from sending out texts and emails, but it's important for you to use the QR code, see your neighbor outside mowing the lawn, go out there and actually shake their hand, see how they're doing, tell them you're raising money for the team. They can scan the QR code. We want to make it have fun. We want to motivate them. We want to get them ready for the next steps of their life. So we have a lot of teaching lessons built in our program, not just close your eyes, send out emails, and hope things work out well. Our system does that for you, but we like a more personal approach. So hopefully this is helpful. Hopefully you'll choose Gold Athletics for your next fundraising adventure.